That was some solid fucking price action today, guys. As you can see, one trade, fucking huge win today. And man, this shit felt good. I am just on fire right now. Uh, if you guys have been watching for a long time, first of all, I really appreciate that. If you've been here since day one, and second of all, you guys will know, like just a few months ago, I was struggling to even be consistent on a firm account, and now I've just been consistent past 2 months. And check this out, guys. I've just requested another 4 payouts. Gonna have to blur some of this out for you guys, but if you add this all up, 16,000 USD in 2 fucking weeks here, guys. That is crazy. Like, I think that's 23,000 Canadian, which is about just under half my yearly salary at my job in 2 fucking weeks, which is crazy. I don't even have any other words to describe it, but yeah, crazy. And we're just getting started, right? So as you guys can see, one trade today on this account. I didn't show you guys this, but actually on Sunday I did scalp a few trades on gold Asia session to get my winning day to get the payout. That gave me my 5 winning days. I took one on this account before I even got this. As you can see, my balance is already back up to 3,500 on this account and on this account, because I did the same thing. Took the trades on Sunday on gold. I made this today. And then my other 2 accounts, I was missing this winning day, so I didn't request it to today, but I just took the payout and I'm already at $3,000. And same with this one, $3,000 still. So we got huge buffers now. We got size to work with. I can really fuck around now and try to hit some big trades. And even on my 100K account now, 3 winning days, up 2,200 bucks. So payouts ready for this one soon. So we are just firing on full cylinders right now, trying to hit a 20K month USD. I mean, I've already hit it Canadian, but if I can hit it USD, that would be fucking awesome. I only need really 2 more payouts, and we got a long time left, so we'll see what happens. But I'm very, very, very happy with how this month has gone so far. No complaints. Even if I lost all my accounts now, I'm super happy. But yeah, we still got a week and a half to go, so we'll see what happens. But let's get into the trades today. Or I should just say trade. No news today. Bank holiday yesterday. Stock market was closed, so I didn't take any trades. I was going to trade the bank holiday, like I said, but then I realized it wasn't just a bank holiday. The stock market was closed as well. I'll usually only trade a bank holiday if the stock market's open, because then at least you get a little bit of volume. Although we did have really good price action yesterday, I was asleep. It was nice to sleep in. I don't really give a fuck about missing that trade. And it was nice to get my mental back. Did some back testing last night and hit a banger this morning. So as you guys can see, what was really hinging on if I was bullish or bearish this week was this 4-hour gap here. And overnight we did close below it, so I was super bearish coming to this session. We did end up pushing up quite well here, actually. I kind of timed this trade absolutely perfect, but there looks like there was longs as well. I haven't even looked. I was done for the day after 7 o'clock, but on the buy side we had this 4-hour gap that still needs to be filled. We had these 3 highs stacked here. London low, Asia low there. So not much going on. Super simple day today. But we did inverse this 4 hours, so that led me to be super bearish for the day. And as you can see, I took this trade right about here, right? So there was actually, I didn't mark this out. I should have marked this out. I'll add it right now. but we had London highs here as well. So the only thing that there's a couple things that kind of scared me on this trade actually. One being this 30-minute gap. I didn't like this. And you can see we were trading above it right until 6:30, right? We ended up not closing above it, but we were getting very close to inversing this gap, right? And we had this Asia high that scared me as well. And I'll show you one other thing that scared me on this trade. This was a very good setup, but there was reasons to fade it. I was just so bearish on the day after we inversed that 4-hour gap that I wasn't even taking this stuff into consideration. But we do sweep that London high as we come up to this 30-minute, and we get very close to this Asia high. So at this point, I'm just sitting on my hands waiting till we take out this Asia high, right? Like, look, we come, I don't know, what is that, 1 or 2 pips? 8 points. So we come that close, and I'm thinking we're going to hit it. But then we start inversing these gaps here, and I'm like, what the fuck? So we inverse the 1 minute. We then inverse the 3-minute. And the only thing left is this 5-minute gap, and this is the last thing that kind of scared me on this trade. And a lot of people faded this because, as you can see here, this candle misses inversing this gap by, I don't know, like literally 2 points, 3 points. So that was kind of scary to me, to be honest, but I saw that coming, and I actually entered as soon as we inversed this 3-minute gap here. So I got right as soon as this candle closed, I entered here, and I was targeting down to here, and my stops were right above here. It was a 1 to 3. I was risking about $400. I made $1,200, and this trade closed out right at 7, right there. And my plan with this was basically we came down to this point and I was already break even. I was break even right here because obviously we still have this Asia high here. And there was a good chance we were going to just respect this gap, bounce right back up to it. So I entered prematurely and I was break even as soon as we got down to this point here, right? Just in case anything went against me. It was a super tight break even, and it paid off well because I got in the trade at literally a perfect time, caught a 1 to 3, no drawdown, and this was just, it would have been such a beautiful trade if this Asia high wasn't here, because even if we don't inverse this 5-minute, if the Asia high isn't here, it's not scaring me. Like this, I know a lot of people would have taken this trade if this Asia high wasn't here. That was the only thing that was kind of sketchy. Still a very good setup on the 3-minute. It's just the fact that we have this high here and the 5-minute gap, and totally justified if you faded this trade. But for me, it was 100% worth the risk. Like I said, super bearish on the day. And we had this London low and this Asia low here. And I'm very happy that I did not target this Asia low because, as I figured, we came back up to the Asia high. So, perfect trade. Another good trade today was longs off this low up to the Asia high after we inverse that gap. Either longs right off the inverse here up to this, could have caught 1 to 3 here, or you wait till this pullback into this 15-minute gap here and less RR, but way less risky trade, and you could probably still catch, I'd say, a 1 to 2 out of that. Realistically, be more safe going more like a 1 to 1. But again, very good trade. 3 super really good setups today. That's why I had to give the round of applause for NQ today. Like, you can't. Today was like, you couldn't lose today. I saw a few people lose on Instagram. Like come on, man. Like, worst case scenario, you should have got a break even. Like, price was just moving super clean. When was the last time we've seen 15-minute candles look like this, guys? Like, sure, we get a little bit of chop here, but we're just making nice, smooth moves today. Especially, honestly, the longs here were just really super clean. I took a bit more of a risky setup, but the longs off this 15-minute inversion, even if you enter off the 5-minute inversion, super clean, guys. Super, super clean. So, hope you all took a win today. Huge day for me. Across my 5 accounts, $6,000 day. It's fucking insane. So, super happy about that. We're starting to die down a little bit. I think tomorrow's going to be kind of choppy because we do have FOMC at 11. So, probably going to be risking less tomorrow. There's no real gaps. It looks like we're flipping back bearish after taking out this high, though. So tomorrow should be interesting, but we do have FOMC. 4.5 hours into market open. So usually when we get FOMC at 11, price is pretty choppy throughout the day. So be mindful of that. Don't force anything tomorrow, and keep your risk low. Thursday, Friday are going to be way better days to trade. So be careful tomorrow, guys. And yeah, I think that's going to wrap it up for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe. And I will catch you guys tomorrow for the next recap. Peace.